Hello everyone, my name is Chloe Pfeiffer and today we are going to go over ecosystems seminar success as well as some current marketing expansion opportunities. First, we're going to discuss some of the success factors of ecosystem seminars as well as some of the instruction and opportunities offered at our seminars. Then we're going to look a bit further into how the marketing world is changing and how we can adapt with it. We're specifically going to focus on social media marketing and its benefits. Finally, we're going to finish off with some final recommendations for ecosystems moving forward. Ecosystems offers a wide range of opportunities for participants at our seminars. We strive to offer engaging and detailed instruction regarding both written and verbal business communication techniques. This is the main focus and center of our seminars. We also open the door for many opportunities for networking as our seminars draw in a multitude of business representatives of many industries. Finally, we offer practical, hands-on experience through breakout groups, where attendees are able to put concepts they have learned into action. This system and these opportunities have been successful for ecosystems as we have a 98% satisfaction rate according to our post-seminar surveys. Despite this, however, ecosystems has seen a steady decline in attendance at our seminars over the past 5 years. In 2017, attendance dropped by 9%, in 2018 by 6%, in 2019 by 2%, 2020 by 20%, although this decline can be associated with COVID-19, and finally a drop of 5% in 2021. The question then is, why is attendance dropping if satisfaction is so high? The problem lies not with the content of our seminars, but rather the marketing methods used to recruit attendees. Over the decades, popular marketing strategies have changed and shifted. However, recent decades have seen massive shifts in the marketing industry, more than ever before. Traditional marketing strategies such as newspaper or radio ads, TV commercials, and highway billboards have seen a steady decline over the past few decades, while newer and more innovative strategies, specifically internet and social media marketing, have seen a rise. As this chart shows, the past 10 years have seen a steady decline in the amount of companies that are companies are spending on traditional marketing. Radio, TV, newspapers, magazines are continuing to lose their hold on the marketing industry, while internet marketing has all but taken over. Just in the past 15 years, the internet has jumped from 5% to nearly 45% of all advertisement spending. The question then is, why has internet advertising seen such growth, while all other advertising methods have slowly declined? There are a few potential answers to this question. 1, internet advertising is cheaper. 2, internet advertising allows for a higher reach. And 3, internet advertising allows for companies to target specific demographics more easily. Social media and internet advertising has seen a steady rise in popularity over the past decade. This quick growth in popularity should be enough to draw ecosystems' attention. Social media advertising is extremely versatile. As you can see in this chart, social media platforms appeal to a different demographic. Each social media platform appeals to a different demographic, whether that be age, gender, location, or class. Each platform also offers different kinds of content. This is helpful for companies to advertise based on type of ad content as well as who the intended audience is. Some other benefits include cheaper advertisement costs, higher customer interaction, and more targeted marketing. Some other benefits, ultimately, my recommendations are fairly simple. The marketing team must determine which social media platforms would be the most beneficial for the purpose of marketing ecosystems. Next, I think it would be beneficial to use both alumni testimonials as well as seminar clips and excerpts in order to promote our company in video form. Finally, our marketing team must set some quantitative goals for how many people need to be reached weekly by our social media marketing and strive to reach that goal. If we begin taking these steps and wading into the waters of social media marketing, I firmly believe that we will see growth in our company. These are my references if you would like to look further into my sources. Thank you.